Oh, Petra, Petra, oh wait, that's fine, Petrifine, that's me, oh yay, Petrifine.
Hi there. So, a lot of things happened this week. GTA 5, iOS 7, and most importantly, school finished. I am now on a 2-week holiday break, which basically will involve me laying in bed. So to try to keep myself being remotely productive, I've made myself a list of holiday goals, which I'm now going to share with you, because if I share something with the internet, I'm more likely to keep on track doing them. Normally I only have one holiday goal and I complete it by like the first Tuesday of the holiday, so then I have nothing to do. Now I have 5. Here we go with them. Number 1. Leave the house at least every 3 days. Last holidays I didn't do that and ended up being a hermit, and I think I forgot what outside was like for a little while. Number 2. Read at least 1 book. No, we don't read very much, so this is something I have to do. 3. Play my guitar every day. I recently bought a new guitar and now I have 2 weeks of opportunity to play it as much as possible, and I'm just really excited, so yeah. 4. Watch the first season of Supernatural. I've had the DVD that I borrowed off my friend for like ages, and I think it's about time that I gave it back to her, but I should watch it first. And number 5 is probably the most difficult, and I doubt that I'll achieve it, but you know, successfully watch the entire way through Les Mis without crying. It probably won't happen, but it's worth a shot. So they are my 5 holiday goals for these 2 weeks, and I'll make a video when the 2 weeks are up telling you how I went with that. So when that video is up, there will be a link here for that, but for now there isn't one. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching, please like, comment and subscribe where appropriate. Also guys, I'm following on Twitter at Petrifine101, and don't forget to come back and check out for the end result of what happened to my holiday goals. Thank you, bye!